automated welding cell from Yingli Tech. Customized for construction machinery, meeting welding needs of various workpieces. Independent R&D system from Yingli Tech, ensuring precise weld seam alignment. Adapts to complex weld geometries with flexible and efficient operation. Solves low precision pain point of manual welding, achieving superior quality. Significantly improves welding speed compared to traditional manual work. Yingli Tech empowers enterprises with cost reduction and efficiency enhancement. From Yingli Tech, trustworthy.